For as long as astronomers have studied black holes, one question sat underneath almost everything else. Which comes first, the galaxy or the black hole? The assumed answer was always the galaxy. Large stars form inside a galaxy, live their lives, collapse, and leave behind a black hole. Over billions of years, those black holes merge and grow, gradually becoming the supermassive giants sitting at galactic centers today. The galaxy builds the black hole, not the other way around. That was the model. It made sense. It fit everything we understood about how structure assembles in the universe. In May 2026, that model was directly challenged by a measurement Webb had been working toward for years. Astronomers pointed the James Webb Space Telescope at an object called Abell 2744 QS01, more than 13 billion light-years away, one of a strange new class of objects nicknamed little red dots. These objects had been showing up in Webb's images since almost the moment the telescope began operating, and nobody was entirely sure what they were. Some looked like galaxies. Some looked like black holes surrounded by gas. Nobody had been able to measure one precisely enough to know for certain. QS01 turned out to be the object that finally gave scientists a clear answer. Using an instrument on Webb capable of tracing the motion of gas swirling around the object, astronomers discovered that the gas moved in a very specific and telling pattern called Keplerian rotation. It is the same kind of motion planets show as they orbit the sun, motion governed by simple, predictable laws of gravity around a single massive central point. That pattern told the team something important. Almost all of the mass in this system was concentrated in one place, not spread across stars and gas the way a normal galaxy's mass is distributed. Concentrated, centralized, sitting in what could only be a black hole. The measurement that came back was staggering. A black hole 50 million times the mass of our sun, sitting inside a galaxy so small and faint it was barely there at all. Observed at a point in cosmic history less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang. For a black hole to reach that mass through the normal process, through stars collapsing and merging slowly over time, it would have needed far more time than the universe had given it. The maths simply does not work. And that left researchers with a conclusion that upends the standard picture entirely. This black hole did not grow inside its galaxy. It appears to have been massive from the very beginning, forming without the long stellar collapse process altogether, and possibly existing before its host galaxy had even properly formed around it. One of the researchers on the discovery called it a paradigm shift, a total revisiting of the classical picture of how black holes form and grow. And this was not an isolated case. Astronomers studying the same population of little red dots have found that these strange, compact red objects are remarkably common in the infant universe, appearing again and again in Webb's deepest images, and then mysteriously disappearing from view roughly 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, as if an entire early population of black holes existed briefly, played some outsized role in the universe's first chapter, and then faded from the picture almost entirely. To be clear, this does not mean the Big Bang did not happen, and it does not undo the broader timeline of cosmic history. What it challenges is something more specific, but no less significant: the assumption that black holes are always the product of galaxies, built slowly from the wreckage of dying stars. Instead, Webb's data suggests that at least some of the universe's earliest and most massive black holes may have come first, immense from the very start, shaping the galaxies that formed around them rather than being shaped by them. Nobody currently has a complete explanation for how an object that massive could form so early, so quickly, without the process every model assumed was necessary. What we have instead is a direct measurement, precise and difficult to dismiss, sitting at the edge of the observable universe, quietly rewriting one of the most fundamental assumptions in modern astrophysics. Subscribe, because next time we are covering the little red dots themselves in full, the strange population of objects that may be black holes wearing the disguise of stars, and why they vanished from the universe almost as quickly as they appeared.